Welcome to Smart Syllabus students. As you know, we are preparing for your SSLC final examination under the crash course series. And in this crash course series, students usually we learn every day 100% question is going to be very helpful for your final examination. So in the previous videos already we have discussed about many 100% questions. If you have not seen those videos, then you can go into the description link and check out those videos. And if you want to check the forthcoming videos of this 100% question crash course, you have to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Okay, today students, learn one more 100% question which is going to appear in your final examination. Let's begin. So dear students, in the previous videos we discussed about important topics, that is, one is the real numbers and the another one is the pair of linear equations in two variables. So from these two topics, which all are important questions, already we have discussed. The link is in the description, you can go and check there. So the today's topic is, students, the quadratic equation. So even from this topic there is one question which is very important, and it's a 100% question for in your final examination. Today in this video we are going to learn about that 100% question. Okay, let's move for that question now. Students, as you know, the topic is quadratic equation. In this topic there is a question called solve the given quadratic equation by formula method. It's a 100% question, students. So the condition is, only the thing is, you must know the formula which is going to be used here. So if you know the formula, this is a 100% question. So with the formula, today in this video we'll solve two sums, and at the end of the video you'll be having the homework. Through that homework this question will be perfect for you and you'll be ready for your final examination. Dear students, one more information I want to just share with you. During your final examination, the answer paper, in the sense the paper in which you are going to write the answers, that PDF video is also there in the link. So just you can watch the video. At the end of the video you can find the link of the file. So if you just download that one and get the printout of that one, you can practice at your home how to write in a answer paper. So it will be helpful for you. So just go and check that video. Okay, let's solve this sum now. First, the solution part. Students, first write down the given equation. It's 2x square minus 7x plus 3, that's equal to 0. Okay, students, first compare this one with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that's equal to 0. Okay, now extract the values of a, b, c. Here a in the sense the coefficient of x square, that's nothing but 2. So here a is 2, b is minus 7, take with the sign, then c is plus 3. So these are the values of a, b, c. Now it's by formula method, so we must write the formula now. So the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is the formula which is going to help us to solve the quadratic equations. Okay, now substitute the values of a, b, c in this formula and just go on solving. We'll get at the end of the values of x. Okay, x is equal to minus, b is minus 7, so substitute with minus sign. If you think just here is already there is a minus sign, and if you don't write this minus sign then it is going to be wrong. So substitute with minus sign. Plus or minus square root of b, b is minus 7, the square minus 4, a is 2 and c is 3. Now track this root sign, then the whole divided by. Students, don't forget to draw this line completely, because if you draw it half or somewhere here then it's going to give some different meaning. Therefore draw it completely. Here in the denominator there is 2a, therefore substitute 2, and a is again it's 2 only. Now just solve this all the terms, you will get the value of x. Therefore x is equal to minus into minus, it's plus 7 plus or minus square root of minus square. So here first you square the minus sign, then square the number. So minus into minus is plus 7 into 7, that's 7 square is 49 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 the it's 24, the whole divided by 2 to the 4. Next, x is equal to 7 as it is, plus or minus square root of 49 minus 24, it's going to be 25, the whole divided by 4. Then x is equal to 7 as it is, plus or minus square root of 25, as you know it's 5, therefore upon 4. Now here you have to follow one step, students. That is, x is equal to, first write 7 plus 5 upon 4, or x equal to 7, write with a minus sign now, upon 4. Now complete the answers now. So x is equal to 7 plus 5, it's going to be 12 upon 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5, it's 2 by 4. If we can divide the numbers, then we have to do it, students. That is, 4 ones are 4 threes are, therefore x is equal to 3 is the one answer, or 2 ones are 2 twos are, therefore x is equal to 1 upon 2. Do not write just 2, you have to write the numerator if it is there. So 1 upon 2. Students, in the denominator, if 1 remains, if you just leave that one, it's okay, but if it is the numerator, do not forget that one. So x is equal to half. So these are the values of x. One is 3 and another one is 1 by 2. So this is called formula method. So just you have to write the formula, substitute the values of ABC, go on solving. At the end you will get two different values of x, and remember, you must get two different values. If you get only one value, then somewhere you have solved wrong. Okay, we'll solve one more problem to make it more perfect now. So students, now the second numerical, that is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3, that's equal to 0. Okay, now the solution part. First write the given equation. It's 4x square plus 4 root 3 plus 3, that's equal to 0. As you know, we have to compare this with the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c, that's equal to 0. Now extract the values of a, b, c. Here a is 4, take with the sign. Now b is equal to, here only many students fail. That's actually, many of them consider b is just 4, but along with the b, even you must take here the root 3. So it's 4 root 3. Then c is equal to, it's 3. So once we have the values of ABC, the remaining part is write the formula, substitute the values of ABC, and just go on solving. So we have to write the formula first now. The formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac, the whole divided by 2a. This is the formula. In this we have to substitute the values of a, b, c now. Okay, it is x is equal to minus b is 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of b is 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4, a is it's 4 and c is 3, the whole divided by 2a. 2 into a is again 4. Okay, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 as it is, plus or minus square root of, okay, here first square this 4, then square this root 3. Okay, 4 square is 16 into root 3 square. So students, here root 3 square in the sense root 3, and its square in the sense root, and the square gets cancelled, so we just get 3 minus, it's 4 4s are 16, again 16 into 3, so it's again 16 into 3, the whole divided by 4 2s are 8. That next, x is equal to minus 4 root 3 as it is, plus or minus, so it's 48 minus 48 the whole divided by 8. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus, it's just 0 upon 8. That is x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of 0 is 0 upon 8. So as you know, quadratic equation in the sense there must be two solutions. Therefore x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 upon 8. This is the one root. Or x is equal to minus 4 root 3 minus 0 upon 8. So this is the second root. Solve them to get the final answer now. So x is equal to minus 4 root 3 plus 0 is just as it is upon 8. Or x is equal to, similarly here now, minus 4 root 3 minus 0 is just minus 4 root 3 upon 8. Now we can divide this 4 and read now. So 4 ones are 4 twos are. Therefore x is equal to minus root 3 upon 2. This is one value of x. Or x is equal to, similarly here, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So even it is minus root 3 upon 2. So even it is same answer, right? So it means we got two values here. So dear students, here, so the reason for getting the same answer is this: if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then only the roots are equal. Hope you remember these points what you learned during your school time, right? So if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then only the roots be equal. If it is less than 0, then the roots are imaginary. If it is greater than 0, then the roots are real. So this is the second numerical which we have solved using the formula now. Now I think it is more clear now, right? So dear students, again and again practice these sums. We have now homework for you to make it more perfect. So students, this is the homework now. So before going for this A and B, just go through A, B, C, D, solve all these 5 quadratic equations with the formula method. I'm definitely sure you will be 100% perfect. Once you're perfect, then solve these two, and do not forget to give the answers of this A and B in the comment section. Just write A and write X value, and just write B and write the X values. Something like this, right? So don't forget to subscribe the channel, and if you missed all previous 100% questions, then check it in the description link. From there you can get the link and you can watch all those videos and make yourself perfect as well as prepared before your final examination. So do share these videos with your friends so that even they can study more. Okay, again we'll meet with one more 100% question in the next video. Dear students, don't forget to watch the video, one more video which I have told in the beginning, that is about your answer sheet, the model answer sheet which you're going to get in your final examination. The link is in the description. Watch that video, and from that download the answer sheet in the PDF form if it is possible. Take printout and write in that. Okay, again we'll meet in the next video with one more 100% question. Till then, study well, study hard.